Good morning, class 11 commerce. As you know, subsidiary book lesson is in progress and we have already discussed, we have already taught you purchase book, sales book. Today we are doing purchase return book. It is also known as, alternate name is return outward book. Outward means the goods which is going outside, and when goods goes outside, either sale or when we do purchase return, in that case it is known as return outward book. This is the format: date, particular, LF, ledger folio, debit note. What is debit note? I will explain you in detail with the theory, detail, addition and subtraction, purchase return amount, input CGST. At the time of purchase, this input CGST, input SGST were there. The same column will be here also. And if transaction is with other state, it will be input IGST and total. Now question arises, in which cases goods are returned, my dear friends? Goods are returned, number one, when goods is not delivered according to the sample. Whatever order given by us earlier, when they are not sending goods according to that sample they have shown. Number two, when goods were not according to the quality as we placed the order. जब हमने order place किया था तो उसमें क्या quality उन्होंने दिखाई थी अगर goods उसके according ना हो. Number three, when part of the goods may get damaged during transportation or during transit, in that case also goods may be given back. And number four, when there is a mistake in invoice bill, the bill which is given by the supplier, if there is a mistake in that bill, then in that case also entry is to be passed through purchase return book. Now we are going to do illustration number 5, page number 12.13, illustration 5, Govind Traders Limited, New Delhi. Govind Traders. Let us do so. Enter the following transaction in the purchase book of Govind Traders. First of all, here it is given June 2017 and first transaction is given on 5th June. Returned goods to Radha Krishnan and Sons, New Delhi. Radha Krishnan and Sons, New Delhi. We will be giving the party name over here. No to, no buy. What are we returning, my dear friends? Debit note number 140 we are going to write over here. We are returning 20,000 rupees goods. Goods of rupees 20,000. Items detail is not given. Less trade discount. When goods was sold, it was at a trade discount, so it will be deducted. Now also trade discount is 10%. So the remaining net return is of 18,000 and CGST 6%, SGST 6%, add input CGST, input SGST 6%, 6%. So it comes, my dear, 1080. Purchase return 18,000, input CGST 1080. In IGST it is dash and the total becomes, my dear, 20,160 rupees. In this way we are going to record the item. In the same way, next item is return goods to Gopal and Sons on 20th June. Return goods to Gopal and Sons. Gopal and Sons. Here the goods is of 50,000, no trade discount. So directly we will be writing over here 50,000, no trade discount. Add input CGST, add input SGST. Same way 6%, 6%. To purchase return 50,000, 3,000, 3,000 dash, it becomes 56,000. And in the same way, one more entry is also given. Allowance claimed from Raghuveer Prasad. So claim from Raghuveer Prasad. Without trade discount, we are going to write claim here means invoice bill was not according to the proper order. So in this way we are going to prepare our purchase return book. And in the same way, my dear, we are going to prepare, what we are going to prepare dear? We are going to prepare sales return book. What we are going to prepare, sir? Sales return book. Let us see, format will remain same. It will be sales return book, or it is known as return inward book. Date, particular, ledger folio. Instead of debit note, here it will be credit note. Instead of debit note, here it will be credit note. Detail, here it will be purchase return amount. Purchase return, sales return amount we are going to write over here. And instead of input, here it will be output. Output CGST, output IGST, and then total. More or less format is same. Now I am taking illustration 6. Illustration 6 I am taking. The name of the party is Gupta Brothers Jaipur. Gupta Brothers Jaipur. Gupta Brothers Jaipur. Sales return is also known as return inward. When goods comes in the business, return inward. It says that this party belong to I wrote wrong. It is not Gupta Brothers. It is Ram Lal and Company Hisar. Ram Lal and Company Hisar, Haryana. So here first transaction is given April 6. April. It is given on 6. The sum says that goods written by Ganga Prasad and Company Karnal. Ganga Prasad and Company. What is given over here? One table fan. One table fan. At the rate, what is the rate here? It is 6,000 per fan. So total becomes 6,000. Trade discount is also given 15%. Less trade discount 15% become 900. 15%. Yes, 900 rupees. So remaining sales return is 5,100. Now output, it is given 6%. Add output CGST, add output SGST. 6%, 6%. So it becomes dear 306. Now sales return amount is 5,100. Output CGST 306, and here it is dash, my dear, and total come 5,712 rupees. In this way we are going to record. Next entry, Sham Oil Mills Yamunanagar. Again parties of Haryana only. So output CGST and output SGST will work 40,000 rupees. The name of the party is Sham Oil Mill. Sham Oil Mill, Haryana. The amount is 40,000. There is no trade discount. So directly add output CGST, output SGST, 6%. Now I think you can write easily. And the last item is allowance to Sanjay and Company due to mistake in bill. The same entry we are going to pass with output CGST, SGST. So in this way we are going to prepare purchase return as well as sales return. I think doubts are clear to you. Okay, what do you mean by sales return? What do you mean by purchase return? And how are these to be prepared? Thank you very much.